I've reamed the new wrist pin bushing. My wrist pin, which comes with the new piston, does not fit through here, but it's pretty close. It goes in, but just for a millimeter or two, and then it tightens up. Now it's time to go ahead and lap the bushing to get it to the right size. I've made a lapping arbor out of aluminum. It's basically just a 20 millimeter diameter, and it's cut on a bandsaw to allow it to flex a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and insert it into the bore, and I'm going to take a dab of lapping compound. This is fine lapping compound. I'm going to check the fit. I'm putting a little WD-40 on here to clean it up a little bit. You want to make sure all the lapping compound is removed from the bushing before you go for the fit, because it takes up a lot of space. The compound does, and if it gets ground in there, you will not get a good fit. Ooh, I'm lucky I didn't go further. That is perfect. So what you're looking for here is, with a little bit of oil on the pin, is a nice tight fit, which it is. I mean, it's certainly not sliding in here, it's tight, but the pin is spinning, and it has no radial play. I cannot move it in this direction at all, and it rotates, but it's very tight. So I would say that's a perfect fit.